Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW Z4. First, always prioritize safety by finding a large, empty space, like a track or a very wide lot, free from any hazards. Make sure your Z4 is mechanically sound, with good tires and brakes. Before you begin, remember to fully disable your car's electronic aids, such as traction control and stability control, to allow for wheel spin. To initiate a drift, approach your chosen corner at a moderate speed, perhaps around 30 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, quickly turn the steering wheel and then immediately apply a burst of throttle. For a more dynamic entry, you can briefly depress the clutch and release it while on the throttle, known as a clutch kick, or use a quick pull of the handbrake. Once the rear wheels begin to slide, you must immediately countersteer, turning the wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. This is crucial for maintaining balance. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your drift. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Keep your eyes focused far ahead through the turn, anticipating the road. To smoothly exit the drift, gradually ease off the throttle as you approach the end of the corner. Simultaneously, slowly unwind the steering wheel, allowing the front wheels to straighten. The goal is a seamless transition back to normal driving. If you find yourself over-rotating, a light touch on the brakes can help bring the car back into alignment and regain full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.